What's up, African? It's KLX. This nigga Rez has been snoring for the past, I don't know how long. I just cooked mad food at my crib. Then we got on the road. Nigga ate good. Fucked up. This nigga.